Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an additional language on Windows 11. So in here, you can just go to the settings on your Windows, click on the Windows button, go to settings, and then here go to the time and language settings in the left panel. And you'll find this language and region option. So let's just click on that, and you can see these are the preferred language, English. And here you can just click on add a language to add a new language in here. Just choose the language that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with Indonesian here, Bahasa Indonesia. So just click on the language that you want, click on next. Here you can select the optional language features, language pack, text to speech, and handwriting. And if you want to set it as your Windows display language in here, you can just check this box, but I'm going to skip this for now. And after that, you can just click on install. Now the language pack is installing. And after this it's finished, the new language will be added to your computer. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.